Once a set of quantification regions have been prepared, and in this case the annotation table shows the quantification report from these regions, these can be taken through as a bitmap into another program, and that was using the copy button to create a bitmap, place it on the clipboard and transfer it through to Word in this case. I used an option that was use tile display size. So what it did was it took the size of the display tile and in Casa and used it to construct a bitmap of an equivalent size. So if having changed the size of the display tile, I could make another adjustment maybe, and then press the copy button, then selecting the bitmap transfer option, I can have a smaller one as a single page. So this is the size of these depends on the size of the Casa window. Now alternatively, you may wish to extract the information that is in this quantification table generated from the regions, and to do this you go to the report spec page on the quantification parameters dialog window, and in the standard report you can press the region button, and once you have a text-based report displayed in Casa, if you press the copy button, the result is a clipboard selection dialog window, and I can select and copy and then bring up Excel and paste into Excel the text-based report. So I've now got a table which I can similarly insert a table here. There's the table I've just inserted. So that's taking data as a text-based report out of Casa through Excel or directly into any program that will accept a tab-spaced set of values.